So hi everyone, this is my video as a function, and I will label this point on my graph is P f of A, and this line will be the tangent of P, the purple point, the purple line right here. So now I will draw a slope of secant of preceding interval, and the point I choose is the point right here, which is q a plus h, and a of a plus h, and therefore q must be on the left hand side of the graph, and and the value of h must be smaller than 0. And from now I will draw a secant, which is the red line right here. Interval as it approaching 0 from the left side, and the point q is approaching p, and also the secant is approaching the tangent on the left side too. And by contrast, on the following interval, the q is approaching p on the right side, and the h is approaching 0 from the right side, and also the secant is approach the tangent on the right side. So here I will find the formula of the preceding interval. So first I will take the y value of the q, which is f of a plus s minus f of a, and then divide by a plus s minus a. And then after I minus a value, I got this formula, which is ms equal to f of a plus s minus f of a divided by s. So I came to the conclusion that there is the same formula in class. So preceding interval should be placed on the left hand side of the point P, which is it can be go from here to here. So it's approaching P, and I found out that a plus s must be smaller than a, so which means s is smaller than 0. So I have come to explain that q is approaching p from the left, and a plus s approaching a from the left, and as well as s approaching 0 from the left too. So this is the formula of the preceding interval, which is the limit s approaching 0 from the left, f of a plus f minus f of a divided by so x. In here I will discover the overall formula. So the first one is the preceding interval. So the limits of f approach 0 from the left, f of a plus s minus f of a divided by s. And then the following interval is the limit s approach 0 from the right, and f of a plus s minus f of a divided by s. And finally the overall formula, which is the limit s approach 0 from the both sides, and then f of a plus s minus fa divided by s. So here is our unusual case, which we cannot find the slope of the tangent. So first we have the q here and the p. So as we approach, so as the q approach the p to 0, we cannot find there is no slope of the tangent. So the same as that from the right hand side. So as the q approach q from the right hand side, is also had the same answer, which is there is no slope of the tangent. So which means there is no IRC, and we cannot find the slope of the tangent. So this this function, we cannot find the slope of the tangent. And I will explain the I will explain the reason using the IRC limit formula. So here I have the function of the graph. We have x equal to x to 2 over 3, and I will use the IRC limit formula. So here we have mg equal to limit h approach 0, f of a plus h minus f of a over h. And here I will use this into this. So I have limit h approach 0, a plus h to 2 over 3 minus a 2 over 3, a to 2 over 3 divided by h. And as we can find here, we cannot cancel the h down here. So which means there is no slope of the tangent, which means there is no IRC to found.